Hi guys, there's just something about a perfectly grilled piece of chicken that's hard to beat, right? The key of course is achieving that perfect balance of juicy, flavorful and crispy chicken, and that's exactly what we're going to be tackling today. So for me, before I grill my chicken, I make sure I cook it first, because sometimes if you don't cook, you find out that you have some uncooked meat on the inside, and on the outside it will be grilled. I don't like that. So I have to first of all cook my chicken with some spices. I listed out the spices I used for it. So I'm just gonna cook it until it's done, but not too soft. Okay, I make sure it's cooked well but not too soft before I start grilling. So when it comes to grilling, many of us struggle to get it right. I mean, we have all been there, haven't we? Standing in front of the grill or in front of the oven, watching as our beautiful piece of chicken turns into a dry disaster. It's frustrating, I know. So when the chicken is overcooked or undercooked, it can be downright dangerous. Okay, so that's why I always cook it first before I start grilling. So now we have boiled the chicken. You let it boil for a bit, then you're gonna add some water to continue cooking it. So I added a little bit of water to continue cooking until I got that consistency, or should I say I got it the way I want it to be, which is cooked but not overcooked and not undercooked, before I start grilling. So now my chicken is done the way I want it to be. So I'm just going to take it off the stove and then I'll start my marinade. So for my marinade, I'm using jack seasoning, paprika, cayenne pepper, onion powder, ketchup, and then I'm also going to add some vegetable oil. Then I'm going to mix this all together until everything is incorporated very well, until everything is mixed perfectly together. So when that is done, I'm now going to start rubbing it on the chicken. So when I'm doing this, I've already set my grill in the oven on. I've already turned it on because we don't want it too cold or too hot. Until it's ready, it's going to throw off the cooking process. So I just turned it on for a bit to warm up. So while that is happening, I'm now going to start rubbing the marinade on the chicken. Now I'll be very generous with this marinade, okay? Make sure it gets to all parts of the chicken. Make sure everywhere is coated very well. Guys, if you have watched up to here, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment and share, and give me a big thumbs up, okay? Thank you. So this is very easy, guys, okay? It's very easy to achieve that perfect balance of crispy, juicy and flavorful chicken. So now I'm done rubbing on the marinade, so I'm going to put it in the oven to grill. So I grilled this for 30 minutes at 250 degrees centigrade. Okay. So now look at it, guys. Our chicken is ready. It's so crispy but still juicy and flavorful on the inside. You saw how easy it is to break down. It's not dry. It's very beautiful. So there you have it, the secret to grilling perfect chicken every single time. By following these simple techniques and tips, you can achieve that perfect balance of juicy and flavorful crispy chicken.